Bao Bun originated in northern China during the 3rd century. So we're making this special recipe. Hello and welcome to Benedict's table. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we'll be needing for this special Chinese recipe: flour, sugar, yeast, baking powder, salt. Then you mix this until it is well combined, going with your milk and vegetable oil. Then mix it some more. At this point, you can use your mixer to do the kneading, but here I'm using my hand to knead. It was very stressful. I would recommend you use a mixer. After mixing this, you put it in an oiled pan, cover and allow to prove. While this is proving, let's flour our board, and next, it has risen to that point where we can work on it. We'll be kneading this flat or flattening it with a rolling pin on a board and then cutting into the shape and size that we need. I'll be using a ring here to cut this into a round shape. You can use any size of ring. Yes, any choice you make. After cutting this, we're going to be oiling this just to avoid it from sticking together when it is steamed. Yeah, we don't want it sticking like a newly married couple. No. It's a good thing though, but not good here. After that, we put it into our bamboo steamer and allow to proof. Our water should be boiling at this point and we'll put it there. So while we're steaming this bun, let's prepare our vegetables. We're cutting our carrots here. We're going to be cutting this into stripes. Yes, we're cutting this in a long form, or we call it julienne cuts. This is what we're doing here. So if you have watched to this point, please, I would like to know what country you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And please do me the favor of replicating this recipe and letting me know how it came out. I would love to know that, please. I would love to. Back to our veggies. We're cutting our cucumber at this point. Yeah, and next our cabbage. I decided to go with this variety of vegetables. You don't need to add cabbage if you don't have it. Carrot and cucumber is enough, but I'm going the extra mile. Let's go in preparing our filling. Now this is our chicken breast with paprika, chili flakes, herb salt and seasoning powder. We're going to be sauteing all this with onion, adding some dark soy sauce, and now putting our sriracha menu into the chicken filling, mixing it and filling our bun. We're filling the bun here with our chicken filling, adding some cabbage. Next we're going with our carrots, and lastly our cucumber. Sorry I said lastly, it's actually not last. The last thing we'll be putting here is a little sprinkle of a sesame seed, and bang, this is ready. If you've gotten to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video so it gets to the right audience. Till my next video, bye.